How to use Hollytone. Hollytone, the original and leading fertilizer for acid-loving plants like azaleas, rhododendron, hydrangeas, and most evergreens. For new plantings, dig a hole twice as wide and as deep as the root ball. Lower in the plant and align with the top of the hole. We recommend replacing half the removed soil with organic compost. Add Hollytone and mix everything together. Backfill with the amended soil and water in thoroughly. For established plants, feed 2 times per year in spring and fall. Sprinkle around the drip line. At a rate of 1 cup per foot of drip line diameter. Water in thoroughly. Espoma, organic from the beginning.